Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to the first lecture of Computer Science, Unit number 1. It's Introduction to Computers. We will discuss from page number 10 to 15, and the book is Go Digital. So, students, today we are going to learn so many things: what a computer is, what computers can do for us, where computers are used, and what are the different parts of a computer. Today, we are going to learn about computers. As you know, a computer is an electronic machine. It helps us to do so many things, to do many kinds of work. Children, computers are used in many places like schools, homes, and offices. Computers make our work easy and fast. Now tell me, have you ever used a computer? What do you use it for? Dear students, have you ever wondered what we can do using computers? Let's think together. Can we write on a computer? Yes, we can type letters and documents. Can we play games? Yes, we can play fun games too. Can we watch cartoons? Of course, yes. Can we study lessons? Yes. And guess what else? We can even talk to people using video calls. Wow, computers can do so many things. Now tell me, what do you like doing most on a computer? Now, let me ask you something. Do you think computers are only used at home? No, computers are used in many places. In schools, where teachers use computers for teaching. In banks, computers help keep money records. In hospitals, where doctors use computers. And in supermarkets, computers help with billing. Okay, can you think of an other place where computers are used? My dear students, let me ask you something fun. How do we see things? How do we hear sounds? How do we smell? Yes, eyes help us see, nose helps us smell, hands help us work, ears help us hear, and tongue help us taste. Just like our body, a computer also has different parts. Children, what do you think? Does a computer have only one part? No, a computer has many parts, and each part does a special job. The main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. Let's learn about them one by one. Children, look carefully. What does this look like? Yes, a TV screen. This is called a monitor. It shows us pictures, it shows videos, and it shows our work. So, tell me, which part helps us see our work? Yes, you are right, the monitor. Now, students, look at these carefully. Which one do you think helps us type? Yes, the keyboard. We use it to type letters and numbers. And this second one, what do you think this is? Yes, the mouse. We use it to point, click, and open things. Show me with your fingers how do we click. Next, students, guess what? There are some other computer helpers too. Printer, which prints work on paper. Scanner, copies pictures into computer. Speakers, help us hear sound. Headphones, help us listen quietly. Webcam, helps in video calls. USB, which stores and carries data. Now tell me, which one have you seen before? My dear students, let's think carefully. Are humans and computers the same? No. Humans have feelings, computers have no feelings. Human can decide, but computers follow the instructions. Humans get tired, but computers do not get tired. So, can you tell me who is smarter? Yes, my students, the humans. Wow, children. Today we have learned so many things. Let's take a quick recap. We have learned about what is computer, what computers can do for us, where computers are used, and which are the important parts of a computer. Tell me, what did you like the most? My students, for homework, revise the lesson and read the above mentioned pages carefully. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class, inshallah.